So you want to know how hot I am. Arduino projects book project number 3. I did calibrate the sensor, or to be more precise, I changed the value of the constant, which in the original sketch is set at 20. Apparently the sensor believes that the room temperature is is around 23.5 degrees Celsius, so I adjusted that constant. But you don't want to wait any longer. You really want to know how hot I am? Well, let's get started. So I'm touching the sensor. That's more like it. Well, really, I feel a little bit hotter than that. Ah, yes. Well, well, maybe that's as hot as I feel today right now. So beware. Anyway, so if I'm leaving the sensor, then there you go. It's cooling down and beginning to measure room temperature again. It still thinks I'm hot, a little hot. Ah, there you go. It's beginning to blink. There you go. Project number 3. How hot can you be? Nice little project.